Are you ready? Let's make some pesto. For this delicious pesto, you would need 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, a half a cup of pine nuts, 2 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a half a cup of olive oil, and a quarter of a cup of fresh Parmesan cheese. So to start out, you can easily toast the pine nuts by heating them completely on a dry skillet. Then you will add them into your blender, preferably one that has a puree option. Next, we will add our lemon juice and garlic cloves, add a bit of salt and pepper, and blend until everything is chopped. Sometimes you will need to scrape all the small pieces off the sides and back towards the bottom if you have a larger blender. We add our fresh basil leaves, give it one more good blend to get it nice and chopped. Add in the Parmesan cheese and the olive oil. Set the blender to puree and let it run until everything becomes more pasty. Empty your blender into a glass or a bowl. At this point, feel free to add more olive oil to get the consistency you desire. And there you have it. Delicious pesto ready to be served. Stay tuned and I'll be sure to upload some of my favorite pesto dishes that are easy to make. Thanks for watching. See you next time here on Side Yarden.